Hello, students. In the chapter number 1 of the entrepreneurship, the topic is importance of business environment. What are the importance of business environment? First is enables. When we scan the environment, it enables a firm to identify the opportunity and getting the first mover advantage. We can say here that the businessmen who are able to understand and scan the opportunity of business environment at early stage get maximum benefit or can capture a big share in the market. They can go much ahead of their competitors. For example, when the Maruti company was planning to sign a contract with the Suzuki, the company of the Japan, then another company, Goodlast Narrowlag company, was first company to understand that soon there will be a great demand for car painting in India, and no paint company in our country had car paint technology. So Narrowlag company made use of this opportunity and signed a contract with Kansai Paint Company to import the car painting technology, and then Maruti started its car manufacturing in India. Then Narrowlag got all the car painting contracts of Maruti. Today also 90% of car paint for the Maruti is done by Goodlast Narrowlag. It is called first mover advantage. Next, we are talking about the next importance of scanning the business environment. It helps in identify the threats and early warning signal. Here we can see a businessmen who are able to scan and understand the business environment on time get a warning signal to deal with the constraints or negative policies of the business environment. Timely scanning of business environment and the qualitative information which businessman gets is taken as a warning signal and changes in the companies are made. For example, on scanning the business environment, the Maruti Udyog company got the qualitative information that more foreign car manufacturing companies are going to set up their business in India. They took it as a warning signal and started increasing their production capacity. They increased their production capacity by three folds, especially the production of esteem car. Its production increased from 65 cars per day to 80 cars per day. As a result, the sale of esteem increased to 42,000 cars per year from the earlier sale of 25,400 cars per year. So, the Maruti company accepted the entry of foreign cars companies as a warning signal and increased their production to supply the cars without any waiting period to compete with the new companies. Now the next helps in tapping useful resources and assembling them. The resources like finance, human, etc. Are also available in the market. We have to scan the environment so that these resources can be grabbed by businessmen. So businessmen have to supply the goods to market according to the demand in the market. To supply output, they need input, raw material, etc. They acquire raw materials and other sources keeping in mind the output demanded in the environment. They select resources according to its their ability in the environment and demand of the output in the environment. For example, with the demand for flat screen color TV, manufacturers are collecting resources necessary to manufacture flat screen color TV. rather than collecting resources of black and white TV. They use the scanning report as input to make changes in the output. Make it point. They use the scanning report as input to make the changes in output, which suits the taste of present day customer. Now, next importance of the business environment helps the adjust and adapt the rapid changes. Rapid changes means fast changes. In the modern area of, you can say, modern area of the technology, it's getting changed faster. Today, changes are taking place very fast, and these changes have a great impact on business. So, it is essential to understand these changes as early as possible. Business environment scanning helps the companies to scan and understand these changes with environment scanning. Businessmen make changes in their internal environment also to match the external environment, so environment scanning help in coping with the changes. Next is assessing assisting in planning में help करना and policy making. Environment scanning helps you for the planning and to make the policy or strategies for the planning. You can see on scanning the Indian business environment, we find that there is great scope for tourism industry in our country. So businessmen are planning strategies to grab these opportunities. Various hotels of private public sector ITC group are making new strategies for tourism. There is a separate travel segment set up. Now, you can say that whatever the opportunities or threatenings in the environment can be uh, availed or avoided by a good planning or the policy making. The next is improvement in the performance. Improvement in the performance. Without continuous scanning of the environment, companies cannot improve their performance. If they want to improve their performance, they must scan the environment continuously so that they can have some changes in the internal environment like updated technical machineries, human resources, etc., and a improved share market. For example, Western company which could not cooperate with the changing environment started suffering loss and lost its name in the TV market, whereas BPL, Onita, etc., did scan the environment well and are still competing successfully with many multinational companies. This is the importance of improving performance.